it is. We're getting your feet set one. Come in, Houston. Are you getting this?
Copy that, ISS. Video feed from Sat-1 is clear.
Hello, I am Alan Del Gallego, instructional designer with more than 15 years of experience with online courses and training videos. Today from space, tomorrow somewhere in the world, and I want to invite you to take the first lesson from my course for free, OCD Organize Your Digital Chaos, which I have designed based on my personal experiences from many years dealing with daily frustration of accessing online networks. Who is this course for? Anyone who wants to consolidate and, most importantly, organize their digital footprint on the internet. I will teach you the generalities of how to synchronize all profiles, web browsers, banking, purchases and social networks in a single device, as well as what username to use, password security levels and much more. Take the first class for free here in Hotmart.com. Just follow my link. So, what are you waiting for?
ISS Houston, stand by. We may have a problem here.